Guys, when it rains, it pours. So I'm on my way to my little sister's bus stop right now. I don't usually pick her up, so she's definitely gonna be surprised. She usually walks home, and we're about to pick her up and surprise her in the Hellcat because she's never ridden in it. She's been wanting to for a little bit because she loves it. We're gonna surprise her with a ride, and also I'm probably gonna take her out to lunch. So it should be pretty cool, and it's gonna be pretty funny to see her reaction because she's never been in anything like this. What's up?
Hi.
Are you surprised?
Yeah.
First time riding it.
Mm-hmm.
So you want to get some food?
Mm-hmm.
You okay? You got your seatbelt handled? Chipotle.
Sure.
You like Chipotle? Ah, Chipotle it is. What? Have you ever been in a fast car? I feel like you haven't.
Yeah.
Which car?
I don't know. Something.
Something. You've never been in a fast car.
Well, I've been in your Corvette.
Yeah, you've been in my Corvette, that's true.
But it wasn't like... Whoa.
Well, what do you think?
I like it. It's
You
fun.
like it?
Uh-huh. Favorite part about this car?
My favorite part about this car? Probably this. Is that a good reason?
Yeah.
So the craziest thing just happened. I pulled up to Chipotle with my little sister and my mom. If you guys don't know, this is like my favorite place to eat. I figured we'd get some food or whatever, and we pulled up here, and my mom, for some reason, mentioned, my mom loves me to death, so she mentioned my YouTube to the cashier, and she asked, do you ever watch Judah's Garage? And he said, yeah. And I look over and I'm like what? And I'm in the middle of ordering my food. If you guys don't know how Chipotle is, there's like a line. And she goes, well, there's Judah. And I look over and he's like, his eyes light up, and I'm like, what the heck? Like, I'm like, are you serious? Like, is this like, are they messing with me or something? Like, it was really weird how it happened. But anyway, he hooked me and my little sister up with a bowl, which is like more than I could have asked for. I mean, I just figured I'd say what's up and whatever, talk to him for a little bit, but he hooked me up for no reason, which means a lot to me. And the least I can do is try to take him for a ride in the old HELLCATS. So we're in here right now. I was actually in the middle of shooting a video, and I just literally stopped here for lunch, but I figured it'd be a pretty cool video idea if we could get him in the car, and because I got his card, because his cards are at the front, because he's actually a manager. Actually just gonna go in and ask, see if we can get him out here. What's going on? What was your name again?
Braylon.
Braylon.
Yes.
All right, so we're gonna give Braylon a ride in the car.
That's good.
If that's cool with you, bro.
I'll be waiting for you.
Let's do it. It's the least I can do to repay you for hooking me up.
No problem.
This is actually my favorite place to eat.
Yes.
Believe it or not, yeah, I come here all the time.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Look at that.
But there she is.
I love this car.
A lot of history behind this thing. But I don't really even drive it that much either. This is like my first time actually taking it out.
Yeah?
Believe it or not.
Look at that, man.
No, like I was just grabbing some food. Yeah. I was actually in the middle of shooting a video with my little sister, because I was taking her I picked her up from the bus stop and took her for a little ride. But I mean, it's the least I can do, bro.
Look at the sign on that.
I like to treat. I mean, Alright guys, so if you didn't know, when it rains, it pours. So the reason that clip was cut short and you guys didn't get to see Braylon ride in the car was because my GoPro decided to crap out on me and freeze, and then it didn't record. But that's the least of my problems. On the end of that test drive, the car started to act up. I'm stuck here at the Chipotle parking lot, and I think the car's blown up. It's making weird sounds, like metal sounds, like tick tick. It's making like some ticking and metal clanking sounds, which is not good. This is not good. So my boy Ignacio is about to pick me up, and I don't know what we're gonna do. I guess I'm gonna drop it off in my boy's shop, or go bring it to my boy's shop at NBA Motorsports and have them look at it and hopefully figure something out. So like I said, when it rains it pours. First off, I missed the whole freaking video giving Braylon a ride, which was sick. We went for a little rip and all this stuff, and then when I pulled in, the car was acting up and all types of, so I don't know. I guess we're gonna put this thing on the tow truck and I don't know, I guess hope for the best. When it rains and pours, boys, this is so bad. For some reason I'm not like freaking out, but geez, this is bad. Like, look at her, she still looks bad, she still looks sexy as ever, but I don't know what I'm gonna do. I guess we're gonna wait till he's here and I guess pray for me. Help has arrived. Why is these tow trucks involved in my life so much right now?
You think you blew it up?
Yeah, I think I blew it up.
No way.
Bro, I swear it's making
oil or anything?
no oil, but it's making like metal sounds. Like it's making not good sounds. I know, it's really bad.
You didn't even get it?
The video recorded 16 seconds of the test drive. Like the video fucked up or something. Didn't think I'd have to ever use this again. Alright boys, it's loaded up. Ignacio hooked it up and this is no bueno, but I'm gonna keep a smile on my face and just pray. Why do I gotta pray for this stuff? Why does this gotta keep happening to me? I try to do a good deed and no luck.
This fucking sucks.
This is so bad, bro. Ignacio said I was lucky with my truck because I didn't mess up my, as you guys saw, I put gas in my truck. So hopefully I'm lucky with this too, because Lord knows I need it. Literally, I just went for a little loop and it just, I don't know, I pulled in and I felt it like acting weird.
Like it lost power?
Well, it didn't even lose power. It's acted weird when I let off and I was just coasting into the parking lot and then it started misfiring.
You said you heard metal coming from the front?
Yeah, it's making not bad, not like a rod knock, but it sounds like something's chattering around in there. Like inside the motor. I'm hoping
you didn't pop the hood like this? Like
yeah, I did. I opened the hood and I don't see nothing weird. I'm hoping it's like something in the blower. Like something.
I mean, it could be. Could even be a pulley, like a tensioner pulley or something.
Yeah. No, it's something, it's misfiring. So
oh yeah, that's right.
I don't know, bro. I think it's bad, to be honest. From all my judgment of everything I know, it's bad.
And you were literally complaining about the miles per gallon earlier.
The miles per gallon, yeah. Now I'm really complaining. Buy a Hellcat, they said. It'll be cool. It'll be fun. Honestly, I'm not really stressing too bad right now. I think, I don't know, everything's meant to be.
Cat Resurrection Part 3.
Yeah, dude, rebuilding the Hellcat Part 3.
Oh
or Part
God.
2, I guess. Maybe it's all meant to be. Maybe people will like this. They'll like.
I was thinking about that, and people are gonna give you shit for that.
For sure, they're gonna give me mad flack. Everyone's gonna be like, "You idiot."
Been beating on it, huh?
Not good, bro.
Oh man.
Not good. Gave this guy a ride. Pulled in the parking lot. It was misfiring. Then it started making weird noises. And I shut it off. But it sounds like something's loose or something in the motor. It sounds like.
Rock.
Yeah, that's what it sounds like. Lifter or something like that. Yeah. Or it could be in the blower, but I don't know. The blower spins so quick. I feel like it would be.
When you said it started misfiring.
Yeah, misfiring. Yeah. That's true. Did not think this day would come.
Nobody does.
Nobody does, and then we're all here.
Nobody thinks.
I haven't even driven. I probably put 200 miles on it.
How long should we run it for? I'll tell you when to start.
Until it shuts off.
That's a rod. I don't know, man. That sounds.
That didn't sound like a rod. It was definitely on this side.
Either a rod or it's in the blower.
That was in this side too.
I didn't get to hear. I heard it from in there though. I went for a little rip, and here, get this. So, I met this guy at Chipotle. He like knew the car or whatever. He was a manager, so he hooked me up.
Yeah.
I take him for a spin, and my camera like glitched out and didn't get any of the footage. So I come back and I'm pissed that I didn't get the footage because my camera froze out. Like there's nothing wrong with my camera, just froze. And then I get back and start doing this. And the guy's like geeked out. He was loving it. Like he was so happy. He thought it was the best ride of his life. And I'm thinking in my head like, oh my God, my motor's blown. Because right when I pulled in, I heard that sound. So I pulled in, turned it off. Saw I didn't get any of the footage. And then check inside the blower.
Yeah, we can pull the lid off first. Check all that.
Yeah.
Pull the snap.
How does that sound? That sounded pretty bad.
It wasn't the best. It sounded like a quarter inside a tin can.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was like pinned too. Like I was like ripping it. Like I'm not gonna act. I was like giving the guy the ride of his life. I'm not gonna lie. He was having a great time, and then.
Well, he's gonna remember that.
He's gonna remember it. He came out and he's like, "What happened?" I'm like, "Dude, don't even give me." I was like, "You don't even want to know." But
Dude, it's just like that lubricating one.
yeah, the blinker.
I was thinking of that.
I'm hoping it's the blinker fluid. Yeah, check the blinker fluid.
You're about half full. You're
about half full.
That's windshield.
Oh yeah.
Bro. It's obviously this one.
We're looking good there.
It's a little kink right there, but that's alright.
Yeah. Sit here and guess all we want.
Yeah. I want to know exactly what it is right now.
I know. I wish it was that easy. I wish I had X-ray vision.
Yeah, X-ray. They don't got that yet.
Not yet.
Scan it. Oh.
Yep.
She looks good though. Even broken, she looks pretty.
Yeah.
Jeez, dude. This car shit's never ending. When this happened, I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't even mad. I was laughing. I'm like, dude,
It's part of it, man.
this is like so ridiculous.
When I had it for 3 weeks and I fucking shattered the output shaft and
Yeah.
the diff out at 41 and all I did was laugh and like, yeah, whatever.
And like, it was wild, I'm like taking this guy, like this guy's smiling and I'm thinking in my head, oh my God, I'm effed. Like, and then it gets worse. I look at my camera and it's like frozen. I'm like, oh my God, my GoPro, my brand new GoPro. It's like, dude, what the hell? All right, bro.
I'll let you know.
I have faith in you.
We'll get it.
We'll give me a holler. I'll come by and we'll check it out together and we'll
Absolutely.
figure out what's going on.
Yep,
But
100%.
all right, bro. I appreciate it.
No problem.
All right, man. All right, guys. So I'm waiting on my ride because your boy has no whip right now. So I got to get a ride back to my truck, which is at my mom's house, because I was giving my little sister a ride this morning in the car. That was the idea of today, and the day took a turn for the worst. But you know, I got trust in. No, I don't. Honestly, I got no faith in the car. I think it's really bad, to be honest. It's gonna be bad, but hopefully it's not. But you know, we're gonna hope for the best, and I guess I'll catch y'all later. So that's that. Peace. Alright, so even though I was smiling today, it looked like I was having a laugh and having a good time. I mean, that's how I usually am, but honestly, today really freaking sucked. I'm not gonna lie. It all started, I was giving my little sister a ride this morning. I was gonna try to make a video by giving her a ride. I thought it'd be a cool video, and then I ended up giving Braylon, the general manager at Chipotle that's a fan, a ride. It's the least I could do to make his day, because he made my day, and that's the way I see it. In the past, when I didn't make YouTube videos, I looked up to a lot of YouTubers. I was a fan of a lot of YouTubers, and if I met them, that's exactly how I want them to treat me. Throw me in their car and take me out for a drive, because to me, that's just like a dream. But things didn't work out how I thought they would. Obviously, the car is giving me all these issues. I might have blew the motor. We don't know, but I guess we're gonna find out. So I'm gonna stay positive. I'm gonna try not to stress too much. So you might see a lot of another rebuild, I guess, on the Hellcat. And I'll probably be driving the Vet a lot now, and also my truck's getting lifted soon, so stay tuned. It really sucks, but it is what it is. I guess when it rains, it pours. So we're gonna stay positive, baby, and you know how we roll around here. So I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure to subscribe, and if you're trying to support your boy and cop some merch, that would mean the world to me, because your boy's in some trouble right now. So I guess my link is shopjudasgarage.com, and cop yourself some merch, and that's gonna be a wrap for this video. So peace, and thanks for watching.